All right, I just want to quickly go over the rules with exponents just to make sure that y'all understand exactly what the difference is between all the different ways that you can write exponents and how to find them. So this is exponential notation. We have 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. So if we were to write that in expanded form, that's the same thing as saying 3 times 3, which in standard form means we do the math and we end up with 9. Now, this is different than if we have a negative 3 with the parentheses around the negative 3 and we're squaring that. So in expanded form, because the 2 is outside the parentheses, that means that everything that's inside the parentheses is what is being squared. So this is the same thing as saying negative 3 times negative 3. Well, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. For this problem, because the 2 is only with the 3, it is only the 3 that we are squaring. So really, this is the same thing as saying negative 1 times 3 squared. Or if you just see a negative, that's like negative 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to square the 3 first. So this is like negative 1 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and then times negative 1 is negative 9. So remember, if there's no parentheses, you're only going to square what the exponent is attached to. And this does get tricky because it's like you don't see it, but that means that it's negative 1 times that number right there. Now this one's tricky because we've got 2 negatives here, okay? So we're going to work what's inside the parentheses first. So outside I just have negative 1, okay? Then inside the parentheses, this is just like the previous problem that I showed you, that the squared is only with the 3. So this is like saying negative 1 times 3 squared. Well, again, 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. And so then I'm going to multiply that by negative 1, and I end up with positive 9. Here, the 2 is only with the x. So this in expanded form is 3 times x times x. Only the x is squared, and there's no values for x that we're plugging in. So there's nothing else we can do with this. I just want to make sure that you understand that when you're squaring it, you're only squaring the x. You're not squaring the 3 as well. And so with this one, though, because the 3x is in parentheses, you're squaring the 3x. So in expanded form, this is 3x times 3x.